Hey there, I'm Hans, this is Banggood channel. Today we will look at Kospet Rock smartwatch, and for those who have the purchase decision, we will leave the link in the video description. Kospet Rock smartwatch rated at 3 ATM waterproof quad. Turn on swimming mode and track your burned calories, monitor heart rate and training level. Kospet Rock is also rugged and durable even for extra weather or conditions like minus 40-degree cold or 55 temperature situations. The smartwatch has a 1.69-inch full-color touch TFT screen with 240 by 280 pixel resolutions. The touchscreen is responsive, however a little bit slower compared to the other smartwatches that I had earlier on this channel. The Kospet on 20mm silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. Kospet Rock built with a beautiful and responsive user interface, giving you quick access to features, 20 sport modes, income message notifications, watch settings, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep statistics, blood oxygen, a variety of watch faces, and many more. The companion app called Fit is available for Android and iOS users. It is free, you can download the app and have a look. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video useful, leave us your like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.